Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore credit repair workflow with Lexington Law detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your credit repair workflow with Lexington Law, begin by gathering all relevant documents related to your credit history. This includes your credit report, any dispute letters, and evidence supporting your claims. Next, create a detailed checklist of the accounts you want to dispute. Identify inaccuracies in your credit report that you would like Lexington Law to address. Log into your Lexington Law account and navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to understand the available features. Upload the gathered documents to your client portal for review. Once uploaded, Lexington Law's team will evaluate your information. You will receive updates on the status of your disputes regularly. If necessary, request additional information or clarification regarding any updates. Monitor your credit scores periodically to track changes. Follow up with Lexington Law if you notice any discrepancies in their reporting. Be proactive in communicating your concerns and questions to ensure transparency. Utilize their educational resources to enhance your understanding of credit repair. Review any additional tips provided for improving your credit health. As you advance through the process, maintain organized records of all communications. Stay informed about the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines on credit reporting. Make sure to understand the timelines associated with disputing items on your credit report. After achieving positive outcomes, continue to monitor your credit to maintain improvements. Consider setting up alerts for any changes in your credit report. Evaluate your financial habits and make adjustments where necessary. With the right persistence and resources, you can successfully restore your credit repair workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.